the MakeCode Minute. For today's MakeCode Minute, what we're going to look at is using the sound sensor on the Circuit Playground Express inside of MakeCode. So you can see here in my, I'm using Chrome here. In my Chrome session, I've got MakeCode open. It's browser-based. And in order to use the little microphone, there's a little microphone right here built right onto the Circuit Playground Express. I'm going to reset that one so it starts up. What I'm going to do is use this sound level block. So if we look at input, and I'm making sounds so that thing is moving, you'll see we have a value here called sound level, and that's the raw values coming off of the microphone, the sound sensor that's on the board. So what I'm doing is I wanted to turn sound levels into positions of this servo, kind of like a meter. So what I'm doing is on the startup, I am initializing my servo at 180 degrees. That just rotates the servo arm to where I want it. And then what I do is I have this if statement that checks the sound level. So just dropping that block in there is all we need to check the sound level. And I'm checking to see that the sound level is greater than 3. So I just wanted it to not always be wiggling when it was mostly quiet. So I tuned that just by trial and error. And I got this number that works pretty well for when there's no sound, this servo is moving. But when the sound level gets higher than 3, I'm using this servo right pin, A1, that's where it's plugged in, to, and then here's my favorite, this map function again. I'm mapping the sound level value, the raw value, and I'm taking a slice of it, the 0 to 50, and then I'm mapping that from 180 degrees to 0 degrees on the servo. So you can see here if I snap my fingers, that's going to jump up to 1. Now, sorry, you might want to lower your speakers because I'm going to yell at the thing. Ah! All right, we got up to 2, and I don't know why I screamed like Pee Wee Herman, but I did. So that is how you use the sound sensor on the Circuit Playground Express inside of MakeCode.